This is a granulator, diameter 3.2 meters. This is the riding ring, and so we got two riding rings in here, and then this is the Grizzly at the outlet of the granulator. And if we take a closer look inside, this is the lump lifter. This is the full view of the granulator. This is another one. This is the lump lifter that we discharged, and then on the outside this is the Grizzly. Inside we have the stainless steel press bar and rubber sheets. This is for DAP granulation. This is the first one, and then this is the second one, so it is a pair.